Welcome to TDS Online Math. Okay, so this is a typical integration by substitution, and this one is indefinite integrals, okay, because there's no limits here. So we know the radical sign here is making it complicated here. So what we are going to do is to do our substitution to make it easier and faster. So solution. So integral of 6x, okay, it's 1 plus x squared dx. All right. So from here, what is here is making the question complicated. So let u be 1 plus x squared. Okay. So in writing the question again, this side will be 6x square root of u dx. Okay. So we have done the substitution. So this one is here. That is u. Okay, remember we can't do the integration because we have different variables here. We have u, x, then the x. So let's make it u throughout so that this side will be the u. Okay. So let's differentiate this side. Okay. So this side will be du, will be 2x dx. Okay. Now remember we have 6x dx here, so we can make this side integral of square root of u times 6x dx. Okay. Now we have 2x dx, 6x dx. Okay. So what we are going to do here, okay, is to bring x dx here. So from here, if I divide both sides by 2, so it will be du over 2 equals to x dx. Remember, this side is same as half du. Okay, x dx. So we can do the substitution. So we have integral of square root of u. Okay, we have times 6. Now x dx will now be x dx is here, will now be half du, so times half du. Okay, now from here we can do cancellation. 2 here, 3. So we have integral of square root of u times 3 times du. Okay, now you can choose to bring the 3 out. That will be 3, okay, integral of square root of u du, and the same as 3, so u raised to half du. Okay, so let's go ahead and then do the integration. Okay, so we will add and divide by the total, so that will be 3 times this 3 will multiply u raised to 3 on 2 over 3 on 2, okay, plus c. Now let's break this one down. Okay, remember this one is dividing this, so it's the same as 3 u raised to 3 on 2 divided by 3 on 2 plus c. So we have 3u raised to 3 on 2 so let's change this one, so times, so it will be times 2 on 3 plus c. Okay, So it will be this time that 3u 3 on 2, okay, times 2 over 3 plus c. So this side will cancel. That will be 2u raised to 3 on 2 plus c. Now, when you are given a to the power n over m, the same as a to the power 1 over m all raised to n. Okay, so 1 over that is where fraction index comes. Okay, so this side will be the nth root of a all raised to n. So from here, you can write this one as 2 times so u raised to half all raised to 3 plus c. So we can say that 2 times so square root of u all raised to 3 plus c. But remember u, okay, u is what? 1 plus x squared. U is 1 plus x squared. So let's send u back to its position. So we have 2 square root of 1 plus x squared cube plus c. Okay, so the correct answer for the integration, okay, for this question, 6 integral of 6x root 1 plus x squared dx is that. Okay, all right, so subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. All right, so all right.